got a Cricut. I got a Cricut. I got a Cricut. Hey, 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 hey. I got a Cricut. Yes. It's Atomikjaye.
Hey, I'm Jay and I like to make things. Welcome to my channel. I just recently got the Cricut Maker and I'm really excited because I get to do things and make stuff and do things. I used to think the Cricut was more for paper crafting and vinyl, but when I heard that Cricut could cut fabric, I was like, sign me up! So I would like to do a lot of fashion DIY crafty things with my Cricut. So I bought this on April 16th and the website didn't actually update to say when it was shipped. So me being the most impatient person in the universe, I hit up their live chat and was like, hey yo, where my package at? Just kidding, not really. But I did ask and they said it was gonna come the day after my message, which was April 20th. So from April 20th, it's May 7th? It's May 7th right now. So it's been like about 2.5 weeks. So I didn't unbox it. I was speaking of like being impatient, but I'm patient enough to wait. So I really hope nothing's wrong with it because I probably can't return it. So let's see what's inside. Let's see what this is inside. Let's see what's inside. So I'm gonna start unpacking the Everything's Material bundle that I got. So I'm really excited. I want to see what's inside. There's probably like a whole bunch of items. But anyway, let's do this. So first we're unboxing some blue vinyl, some blue iron-on vinyl. Next we have black glitter vinyl, which is really subtle in person. It's really pretty. Next we have some iron-on gold. It's not a shiny gold, just pretty nice. And you have transfer tape, which is useful. Next we have stencil vinyl, which is pretty nice to have. I definitely want to make some t-shirt stencils with that. Next we have iron-on red, not iron-on, adhesive foil in red and gold. The gold is a brushed gold, which is really pretty. We have chalkboard vinyl, which is really awesome. Next we have faux leather and bronze. Then we have some glitter adhesive foil. Next, window cling in red, which I'm not sure what to do with, but we'll figure something out. And last of the vinyls is a primary sampler. Then we move on to some fabric, which is the bread and butter of my Cricut. I cannot wait to use this. Next we have sticker paper in white and sticker paper in clear. Now we have some black craft paper and poster board. It's ringing. Why is the phone ringing? Can someone pick up the phone, please? Please, like just pick it up. And we're back with metallic poster board, and now we move on to faux suede. Then we have corrugated cardboard. Next, we're gonna unbox the Cricut Maker. So I need to work out more. Now here is our Cricut Maker in its glorious mint color. I'm really excited for this one. So let's get unboxing. So opening the box, the first thing you get to see is the Let's Get Started box, which has a first materials for your project, which is the kite card that everyone's been making. Next we have the welcome book and the rotary blade. Then we have a marker, a USB cord, and a casing. Then we get to unbox our Cricuts. That's me contemplating knocking somebody out with this cardboards. It's pretty heavy duty. Then we have our USB power cord. Oh, it's probably not a USB power cord, but whatever, you know what I mean. Then we have the light and fabric grip mats. So let's open it. Another cool, cute Cricut sticker. I guess I can't really do it, but whatever. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's like I don't wanna touch it. Yeah, I do. I don't wanna break it like I do all the other times. So let's open that. Oh, this is okay. I've always been so excited to do this. It's so fun. One thing I didn't notice though until I saw the pictures is that this is actually like a storage bin and then 2 little blade thingies. This is really exciting. I'm really excited. That's it. That's all I got for you with the Cricut. But I do have extra things that I bought. I got more mats. These are all 60% off. I used a coupon.
Smart.
So this was like $40. I got it for like $17, I think, for the variety pack. So it comes with light grip, strong grip, and standard grip. Which is pretty cool. I got this for like $8. The 24 by 12 inch fabric mat. I knew I was going to do some fabric cutting. Probably should have got more, but whatever. I didn't. Then I also got the bonded fabric blade to cut fabric. I gotta say, I was going to. The local craft store had a wonderful $5 per roll sale, so I kind of stocked up on that. So I got everyday iron-on mesh, which is pretty fun. I got 3 colors: red, black, and white. I got gold iron-on, gold glitter. I got this stick-on textured metal in gold. I got 2 holographic sparkle vinyl. One is iron-on and one is not. Then I got this strong bond, well, one is Sport Flex iron-on, which is supposed to be good on nylon and polyester, which I plan on using a lot of. And I got another glitter iron-on in red. Thank you guys for watching this entire video. If you have, definitely follow me on my other social media if you'd like to see some of that. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, not on Facebook yet, but I do have a Twitch, but I usually use it for programming. So if you want to see that, you can follow me there. All the links are down below. And that's all I got for you. If you like that video, definitely subscribe. I hope to do more Cricut DIY, fashion DIY, some K-pop sprinkled in there with some pop culture DIYs. Everything, I don't know. Just follow if you would like, or not. Just subscribe. Just do it. Also, hit that notification bell because everyone keeps saying subscriptions mean nothing unless you have the little bell icon, because you'll never know when I'm posting, and that's sad, right? So yeah, do it, please. Thank you. Bye.